Welcome to our YouTube channel dedicated to exploring the latest insights and opportunities in the world of finance and investments, with a special focus on currency revaluation, gold and silver investments, cryptocurrency, and make money online opportunities, and more. If you're interested in staying up to date on the latest developments in currency revaluation, particularly the Iraqi Dinar and other currencies, best to subscribe to this channel. Please note that the content on this YouTube channel is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. We are not licensed financial advisors, and the opinions expressed on this channel are based on our own research and personal experience. We strongly recommend that you do your own research and consult with a licensed financial advisor. Also, just before we go any further, this channel has a weekly giveaway of 100 Dogecoin. To enter, all you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and watch this video till the end, as we will be sharing a random hashtag keyword daily, and then comment hashtag the keyword with no spaces in between in the comment section. Good luck. Now, let's continue with this news of Iraqi Dinar today, so stick till the end of this video. In today's video, we have exciting news regarding Iraq's economy and its relationship with South Korea. The South Korean and Iraqi governments have recently resumed their joint committee after a 6-year stalemate. Join me as we break down the significance of this development and explore how it can impact Iraq's economy and ongoing economic reforms. But first, let's read what's on the article. And we apologize if the Google translation to English isn't clear. Stick till the end of this video, and we will dissect the article and break it down. The title of this article is, "Within 6 months, a parliamentarian diagnosed 3 important files completed by the Sudanese government." Today, Tuesday, a member of the House of Representatives, Jassem Atwan, presented 3 important files that the government of Muhammad Shia Al-Sawani worked to complete within 6 months, while confirming the existence of a government achievement, showing the impact of approving the budget on the government program. Atwan said in an interview with Al-Maalouma agency, quote, "The Sudanese government, within 6 months of its founding, worked to reform many files, but it poured its efforts into 3 important files," noting that, quote, "the first file represented economic reforms and controlling the dollar crisis." He added, quote, "The second issue centered on addressing intractable problems such as services, while the third file was concerned with reducing the number of the unemployed, whose percentage had increased in previous years." The member of the House of Representatives explained that, quote, "There is a governmental achievement which was noticed during this short period, expecting, quote, the completion of the next government program through the implementation of the paragraphs and provisions of the financial budget law, which were installed under the dome of Parliament." And he continued his speech, saying, quote, "We seek goodness from the government, especially in the budget file, which differed from the rest of the previous budgets, which were dependent on oil revenues only, given that a large part of it will go to the investment side." Atwan pointed out, quote, "The preparation of an amount of 38 trillion dinars to revive the economic and investment side in this budget, and not to rely on the oil sector only. Political and popular visions differ regarding the government's achievements 6 months after its formation, between supporters of it and opponents of its policy, considering that it has not provided what is required of it in a large way." That's it for this article today, and let's summarize in a simpler manner. The government of Muhammad Shia Al-Sawani has been actively working on important files to bring about significant changes to Iraq's economy. Within just 6 months of its formation, the government has prioritized economic reforms, tackling intractable problems in services, and addressing the issue of unemployment. These efforts reflect the government's commitment to improving the overall economic situation in Iraq. One of the key achievements of the government is its focus on economic diversification. Unlike previous budgets that heavily relied on oil revenues, the recently approved financial budget law allocates a substantial amount, 38 trillion dinars, towards reviving the economic and investment sectors. This shift towards investing in non-oil sectors demonstrates a strategic approach to reducing dependence on oil and promoting long-term economic stability. The government's efforts to control the dollar crisis and implement economic reforms are crucial in stabilizing the value of the dinar. By addressing the economic challenges and diversifying the economy, it is likely that these reforms will positively impact the value of the dinar in the long run. Increased economic stability and a diversified economy can boost investor confidence, attract foreign direct investment, and stimulate economic growth. Additionally, the government's commitment to reducing unemployment is significant for the country's economic and social well-being. By creating job opportunities and addressing the high unemployment rate, the government aims to enhance living standards and increase domestic consumption, which can further contribute to economic growth. The approval of the budget and the government's progress in implementing its provisions indicate a proactive approach towards achieving economic goals. The government's focus on economic reforms, diversification, and job creation demonstrates a strong commitment to transforming Iraq's economy and paving the way for sustainable growth. In conclusion, the government's emphasis on economic reforms, controlling the dollar crisis, diversifying the economy, and addressing unemployment highlights its commitment to strengthening Iraq's economy. These efforts have the potential to positively impact the value of the dinar and contribute to the country's monetary reform. The approved budget's focus on non-oil sectors and investment signifies a shift towards a more sustainable and resilient economy. The government's achievements within a short period demonstrate its determination to bring about positive change. As Iraq continues its journey towards economic growth and stability, we can look forward to witnessing the long-term impact of these reforms on the country's economy and the value of the dinar. What are your thoughts on this article today? Please don't forget to watch the latest updates video from all the gurus and intel providers. Also, it is important to watch our breaking news article videos to really see where we are at with the revaluation or reinstatement of the dinar. Before ending this video, the hashtag keyword for the 100 Dogecoin giveaway is achievement. The winner will be announced this Sunday and will be in one of the Sunday's videos. Stay tuned and good luck. Please drop a comment below. Let us know what you think. And don't forget to add hashtag and the keyword for today. If you like this content and like to support this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get notified when new videos are uploaded. See you on the next video.